preparation done at paddock, as we saw. Harry Bleur's car is back underway under its own scheme. He will bring that car to the attention of the team in the pit lane, I'm sure, and I reckon at the end of the next lap we should go racing once more.
Yes, should be one more lap behind the safety car here, so that will give us, well, we should be just coming up towards half distance, I would think, when we get back to green flag racing. The leaders heading towards Paddock Hill Bend at the moment. Jenson O'Neill going very impressive so far. Son of Jamie Going, the boss of Jam Sport, very successful in Ford Fiesta racing, both of them in the early part of their careers. Jenson now making the big leap up from Fiesta Junior and so forth into TCR UK at the wheel of that Subaru. Hopefully we'll see him back for a full championship campaign in 2026. Shepherd still your leader. The safety car is picking up its pace. Are we going to see the red lights go out here? I just see a car pull to the outside. Yeah, somebody's come to a stop at Druids on the outside. I've got a bad feeling it's Jenson O'Neill Going. It is. The commentator. Sorry, Jenson.
Jenson. Well, that's such a shame, because we were just documenting at length. He was going very well, and unfortunately that means that he is going to be going no further. And I also think this will now lead to a delayed... Well, it hasn't led to a delayed restart. The safety car is in, but they're surely going to have to throw it straight back out again. I don't think he looked that likely to lose second position, if you see what I mean, as the smoky Subaru has made it halfway down the hill. And
red flag.
Oh, the red flag is out, yes. Now
I've got a bad feeling that car's on fire.
You might be right. The way in which Jenson O'Neill Going ran away, yes, he's run away to find a marshal with a fire extinguisher. He's running back now with the fire extinguisher, I think. Yes, there he is. Look, that is Jenson, helmet on, fire extinguisher in hand, and he wanted to make sure he got back to that car quickly to put the fire out. So heads up thinking there from Jenson O'Neill Going. Might be the youngest ever touring car driver in history, but he has a really smart head on his shoulders, and he spotted that before anybody else had. I think that for some reason the car had rolled down the hill ahead of the recovery vehicle. Whether maybe he got it fired back up again, I don't know, but he was definitely concerned about something at the front of the car. The fire truck is now in position and will assist, but I think it was Jenson's quick thinking there, Dave, that kept that situation under control.
Yes, he sprinted frantically to the marshal's post on the inside of the exit of Druids there to find an extinguisher. Smoke coming from inside the car there. That could have been a potentially scary moment. I hope that's not going to be the end of the Subaru pilots weekend here. So the red flag is the flatbed truck is up there now to recover Jenson O'Neill Going's Subaru, which is going no further, unfortunately. Yes, I did have to get that one in. Apologies to the Jam Sport team there. Hopefully they can have that car back out on the grid for tomorrow. Great shame for Jenson, who's shown a lot of promise here in his first weekend in the TCR UK Championship so far. So the recovery vehicles are now leaving the circuit. The flatbed truck is heading into the back entrance, if you like, at Surtees into the paddock. The fire truck heading in behind it. There is the Subaru. Now, as soon as they're back at their posts,